BCW46672 viewer.
To get this figure, go on RaceLikeCollectibles.com or any other figure selling website. But make sure you get 2 different Sheamuses, so you can get the head that I use for mine. Mine looks exactly like Silly Super Pops. But yeah, be sure to get these at any figure selling website. Sorry we didn't review CM Punk. Maybe next time. Maybe.